good, whatever time of day you're watching this. Welcome to another episode of The Hunt for Bronze. I'm sitting in my boat after just rigging up. Not because I'm going fishing today, I'm going fishing tomorrow. We're going to Hinze Dam to chase some good bass. As you can see here, the quiver of rods is on the deck. We got everything from top water, buzzbait, walker, to a jerk bait, bit of suspending action, chatterbait, and a deep water option as well. We're going to hopefully find some big bass. By we, I mean me and Andy. I don't know if you've seen Andy on this channel before. You may have, you may not have. I don't know if I released that video. Anyway, should be a good bit of fun. We're looking forward to it. Some good fish have been caught out of Hinze lately, and I love big bass. I love when they're mean, and that's what they are at Hinze. So, before I get into it, and before we go any further, if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers this year. Maybe early next year, we'll see how we go. Along with that, once you finish the video, don't forget to give it a like, which will be, you know, down there next to the subscribe button. Yeah, got that out. And my last point is any of the gear, either my ACM rods or my lures that I've got today, they'll also be linked down in the description below. So if you're interested to whatever I use today and you want a quick way to get it, click the links below and you'll be able to get on your way there. Well, without further ado, the next thing you're going to see from me is me with this boat driving to pick up Andy tomorrow morning. Oh, in 12 hours. See ya. We are here. We are here at the dam. Andy's somewhere behind us there. I'll get him on camera later to have a little housey doozy. But yeah, I'm not going to really talk too much here. We're going to go see it on the water. Alright guys, so we're starting the morning here. I've got a top water on, Andy's got a glide bait, and we're just working these trees. So we started this position here because we've got a point that pushes out along here. You guys, if you've watched my videos before, know my theory on points. Normally they're bass highways or any really dam fish highway, as it's a pretty noticeable point in the bottom terrain which rises up from where we were, and it was 40 odd feet. We're in 30 feet now, but I can guarantee as we go close to that point, it shallows up pretty quickly. So all we're doing, we're just picking it apart. Andy's got the subsurface on, I've got the surface. And once we get kind of closer in, we'll probably slow it down. I'll probably put a walker on. But at the moment we're just fishing. You're kind of exploring lures, stuff that covers a bit of water quickly, so we can try to entice a bite. Good one. Obviously it wasn't big.
Oh, a lot bigger than the bar gunner that it behind it.
That one scare you, mate? Get the Andy juices flowing. I've worked out Saturday is the day to fish at the moment. For everyone. Oh, well, yeah, for me, but also because everyone's taking their kids to sports these days, or playing sport, because it's back on, so everyone's really into it.
Oh!
Snag? Do you want me to spot lock us here? You got a couple of in there? Yep. Oh. God damn, you're right. They're not big. They're big enough. Yep. It's big enough.
Yeah.
Big enough. Oh, that's one. One. There we got it, guys, on a plastic. Andy's sussed them out for us. The kind bloke he is. That is my first bass in 3 months. He's not big. He'd just be 30. Yeah. Just on 30 to the fork. Get that line off him. But that's it. Ate that little flash jay. But if that's the only fish for the day, which it won't be, we've sussed him out now. Yeah, pretty good. Happy with. Well, if you're wondering what we're casting at and why we were getting bites there, that is it there. As you can see, there's a good amount of fish here. You can see it both on the down imaging and the sonar. Looking like lasagna lines. That's a good sign. So what we'll do is we'll push off this back to about where we were, both getting hits, and we'll get back into them. Oh, hit. Damn it. Yep. Yep.
Nice, brother.
That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. Yeah, that's a good fish. Pass us the net. Yeah, no. Oh, that's an angry bass. Oh, yes.
Nice one. Very nice.
That has taken all day, guys, to get a good fish, but we got one. And he's absolutely smoked that plastic. Look how far that thing is down his gob. He wanted it. It's all the way down. There it is. That big angry bass. Right down its gob is that plastic. And it just slid straight out too. That was a good fun fight on light gear. Just 40 to the fork. Just on 40 to the fork. Oh well. Let's let it go. But are we just gonna spot lock here, you reckon?
Yeah, I was thinking that. Oh, yep. Yep. Oh, I've got one. Yeah, I'm on.
Yeah, you're on.
I'm on.
Do you need a net?
No. Nice.
Woo! We did it, Andy! Hit. Hit. Hit.
Oh, Yeah, that
Was that a grunter or a bass? That was almost a bass size. Just drop it straight down here. That's all you need to do. Yeah.
Grunty. Oh no, little bassy.
Little bassy boy.
Yeah, very nice.
Ah, that answered the question, didn't it? Sometimes you just need to get one to know what they are. Bass Pro. That looks a bit better. Is that a net job or is that just loose drag?
I think he might be. Yeah, I was going to say.
Yeah, he's a bit better. Say goodbye to him.
Bye.
Bye. As you were saying the other day, like, oh, there's a fish. Oh,
Just get busted.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, completely done, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, hell, mate. Yeah, I'll see how carry that one.
Holy shit.
Nice. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that was actually a pretty good fish, that one. Oh, they're like eating like tuna. What the? I was had 3 bass chasing it up, and then I dropped it back down and watched them follow it back down.
That's unreal. That is sick. That was the last. Oh no. One more 1/4 ounce that size.
Oh, there he is again.
How much fun is this? Finally got one of pulling off the sides out of this school. Let it sink down further actually, took a drink, and that was it, he was on. Sweet. And there we go, guys. That has been another episode of the Hunt for Bronze done and dusted. Pretty abrupt ending, but that is mainly due to us losing the schools we're at, it now being 2 o'clock and both of us ready to go home. As you can see, Andy's just dying in the background there. So yeah, standout lure for me today was the 3-inch Flash J shad on a 1/4 ounce jig head, and that honestly that was the only real lure I got action on. I got a couple of hits on a spoon, but that was it. Andy got his on a slow blat, but yeah, the 240s which we caught, one of which you've only seen on the back camera because this camera decided not to work. But yeah, we were rolling plastics through schools, sitting from anywhere between 20 foot to 40 foot, and they were sitting about mid-water column, so but anywhere between 10 and 20 foot of water. Both vertical jigging, which the last big one I got was literally just sunk the lure down and it must have donked him on the head, and also casting through the schools in amongst the structure. Pretty simple. Yeah, rod of choice was my trusty 4 to 8 pound ACM custom rod, 2500 reel, 10 pound braid and 10 pound leader. I hope that one's not too bad. Let's hope it's good. If you want to know where I got or where to get any of the gear I used today, links will be down in the description below. As I said earlier in the video, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And that's pretty much it. Until next time, guys, go out fishing, enjoy yourselves, and we out.